Bench test before official installation to make sure everything is okay. Select the installation location on the front windshield of the car and paste the electrostatic sticker there. Tear off the red protective film of the 3M sticker on the bracket. Fix the dash cam at the selected position and adjust to a desired angle. Reserve a section of wire for the car charger, then use a crowbar to hide the remaining part of the wire in the gap between the front windshield and the roof. Hide the cable down the A-pillar to the front of the passenger seat foot pad. Hide it under the foot pad. And finally reach the cigarette lighter position and plug in the car charger. Like installing a car charger, hide the cables along the front windshield gap. Insert the power cord along the gap between the car body and the ceiling on the side of the passenger seat, and between the rear seat and the ceiling, and hide it into the welt. Select the installation location on the rear windshield and paste the electrostatic sticker there. Then peel off the 3M glue on the rear camera and stick it. After the installation is complete, start the vehicle and the dash cam will turn on.